Let's quickly fly to our neighboring country, Namibia, where stormy conditions are expected to continue the next few days due to a steep upper level trough. And weather models are picking up until Wednesday night, more than 50 millimeters likely to fall in these pink shades over the northern as well as the western interior, which could lead to localized flooding. And then if we take the model all the way to Thursday night, it is picking up in these shades of black. Another 50 millimeters could fall. That means the next few days, more than 100 millimeters could fall in these black spots in parts of Namibia. So if you know anyone in those regions, please send the forecast to them. This could lead to widespread flooding and they should be prepared. But now let's look at the forecast back home. While stormy conditions are expected to continue over our neighboring country, we are expecting some foggy patches on Wednesday over the east, as well as a few isolated showers and thunderstorms likely to move over KwaZulu-Natal in the morning, as well as over Mpumalanga. And then it's going to quickly become hot in the west due to Bergwinds, especially over the southern interior, including parts of the Little Karoo, and later isolated storms expected to become scattered over parts of the Highveld as well as northern KwaZulu-Natal. That's where we are expecting most of the storms there over KwaZulu-Natal and moving over Mpumalanga, later reaching the eastern as well as northern parts of Gauteng. Otherwise, it's going to be a mainly cloudy day for eastern South Africa with a very poor PV harvest over those regions. But where it's sunny and hot, we are expecting peak performance on your solar panels in the shades of red over the western as well as the central parts of South Africa. Mainly light winds on Wednesday for South Africa, but later a fresh northeaster picking up along the coast of the Wild Coast as well as southern coast of KwaZulu-Natal. Quickly heating up in the west, we know due to those Bergwinds, with the mercury soaring to 39 degrees in Clanwilliam and sizzling hot over parts of the Winelands as well as the Karoo. Maximum temperatures will be just a few degrees below 40 degrees, but in the sun it's actually going to feel above 40 degrees, as well as here in Oudtshoorn 37 and 35 for Beaufort West. Early in the morning, a few foggy patches in parts of the Eastern Cape, but quickly heating up along the coast due to the Bergwinds with 28 in Gqeberha, 32 degrees in Adelaide, 30 degrees in Bishu, and a northeasterly wind later blowing fresh over the Wild Coast, with also a few foggy patches likely here in the vicinity of Mthatha, but warming up the afternoon with 29 degrees. Lots of cloud hanging over KwaZulu-Natal with only a 30% chance of a few isolated showers the morning, and also stormy weather expected to move the morning here over this region, and then later becoming scattered over the northern parts, moving over Ladysmith, Newcastle, as well as Vryheid. Mainly cloudy conditions for Mpumalanga. That's what temperatures will battle to reach the mid-20s and remaining in the lower 20s with a few isolated showers and then thunderstorms returning from the afternoon. Same for Limpopo. We're expecting that band of cloud to hang over the province with only a 30% chance of light showers here and there, but most of the day we're expecting lots of cloud with later a few storms likely to move over parts of the bushveld. In northwest, a band of cloud hanging over the eastern regions with isolated showers likely. Otherwise, we're expecting things to remain mainly cloudy over the east. In the Northern Cape, partly cloudy conditions as a band of high-level cloud is expected to extend over the province, and then very late on Wednesday, showers already starting to move over the extreme coastal regions as well as there over Namakwaland. Then on Wednesday, only cloud hanging over the Free State with a 30% chance of a few isolated showers or thunderstorms moving over the east. Mainly cloudy conditions for Gauteng, so temperatures will remain below 25 degrees, a 30% chance of a quick shower moving over the morning, and then scattered thunderstorms expected to redevelop and move over the eastern as well as northern regions. Then into Thursday, that upper level trough strengthening expected to bring down stormy conditions from our neighboring country over large parts of the northern Cape, Namakwaland, West Coast, as well as the Western Cape, and here over parts of the interior. And then into Friday, the upper level trough is shifting the thunderstorms a little bit more eastwards over large parts of the Northern Cape, as well as the Karoo, Western Cape, and the Southern Cape, with isolated storms for the interior. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your day.